In this video, we're going to talk about what's the difference between SPOTME and MYPAY on Chime. So I've taken this directly from their website and I'm going to explain what all this means. Now, over here, as you can see, once you become eligible and are enrolled, SPOTME works automatically if you overdraft. So if you spend more than you have in your account, Chime will automatically cover you up to your SPOTME limit without any fees. You just have to essentially pay them back the next time you get paid automatically. So as you can see, I've taken this, as I said, from the website. That's why it says pay us back. So you will have to essentially pay them back next time you get paid automatically. So what SPOTME actually does is, to kind of simplify things, if you, for example, buy something that costs $100 but you only have $80 in your account, with SPOTME you will essentially be able to buy that $100 item. However, you will go $20 into overdraft, and then because you didn't have that $20, you essentially borrowed those $20 from Chime, and then next time you get paid and you get money into your account, you will automatically pay back those $20 to Chime. I hope this makes sense. On the other hand, MYPAY is an optional product that puts you in control, so only use it when you want it and choose however much money you get as an advance before payday, up to $500 per pay period. So there's no interest, no credit check, and no mandatory fees. So essentially, I explained the SPOTME and how it works earlier, and then this one, how it works is essentially if you need more money and you know you need it and don't want to go into overdraft, you can essentially borrow that money before you get paid, and then once you get paid, you can return that without any fees. So as you can see, over here is a quick table which will show you when to use it. So when to use it, MyPay is best to use and is available each pay period basically, and then SPOTME gets spotted automatically if you overdraft and if you run out of money. And how much money? So as you can see, SPOTME works for up to $200. However, MyPay can offer you up to $500. And then the fees, as you can see, if you want to use MyPay and if you want to get the extra money within 24 hours, so it will take 24 hours for this to process and for you to get those however many dollars you want, it will be completely fee-free. However, if you want to get those funds instantly, it will cost you $2 to get an instant advance. And then for using SPOTME, there's essentially no fees whatsoever. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.